So here's geass. Geass Season 2, The Use of the Rebellion R2, complete second season by Bandai Entertainment. Their last release from the company. The company got shut down last month. Something I wonder, will Funimation put this up and release it on Blu-ray? I'm thinking. Got 4 episodes on this one and 3 on the West. DVD features. That's it. We got interactive menus, English and Japanese audio, English subtitles. For DVD extras, we got audio commentaries, price announcements, test list opens, extra prologues and preview broadcast versions, key animation galaxies, extra flash, Baba theater redux, test list endings. Got for 13 and up, got English 2.0, Japanese 2.0, subtitle full English, songs and signs. Got 1.78 widescreen, 62.25 minutes, 625 minutes. That's what it was. Sunwise. Yep, I remember I completed watching this season in 2008. They were part of the fall season, I think, or 08. On my graduation year. Now let's see what's inside this bad boy. Got the Lelouch, Suzaku. What her name is again? Well, I forgot her name. Lelouch again. One of my favorite megas ever. Gun. Make y'all know I will complete the first season. But I will be getting the first season on DVD also. Stay tuned. Even though I finished it about years ago. But this one, I haven't finished yet. Remember I started watching this on the 15th episode, I think. Yeah. So there you have it. geass Season 2. The Use of the Rebellion R2. Complete season. See ya.